Hey everyone, welcome to this exciting course, Power BI for Absolute Beginners. I'm Ajit Karwinkal and I'll be your instructor for this journey. If you're someone who is completely new to Power BI and wondering where to start, you have made the perfect choice because in this course, we learn Power BI from scratch, step by step, and by the end, you will be confidently creating your very own interactive dashboards. We'll start simple, build up gradually, and you'll see how easy and fun it is to bring your data to life with visuals, insights, and stories. You have made the right decision to learn Power BI because it's one of the most in demand skills in today's job market. Whether you're from finance, marketing, sales, HR, or any other field, Power BI can help you analyze data, create beautiful dashboard, and share insights that truly make an impact. The best part, Power BI is super beginner friendly, much easier to learn compared to many other visualization tools. Plus, you can refresh your data with just one click and share your dashboards seamlessly using Power BI service, which we'll also cover in this course. Now, a bit about me. I'm a Microsoft certified Power BI data analyst with over 15 years of experience in the corporate world. In my day job, I manage teams and create reports, dashboard, and data visualizations that help drive business decisions. And outside of work, I love sharing my knowledge, teaching people tools like Power BI, Excel, and other Microsoft apps to help them grow in their careers. That's exactly why I created this course to make learning Power BI simple, practical, and fun for you. Throughout the course, I'll be right here with you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the Benny Q&A section or connect with me on LinkedIn. I'd love to hear from you. So without wasting any more time, click that roll button and let's begin your Power BI journey together. And once you complete the course, don't forget to leave a review. It really helps me improve and reach more learners like you. So see you in the course.